Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back with a couple of live trades through the Asian session last night, and the date is August the 2nd, and I'm back from my 3.5 days short vacation. Spent some time with the wife and did a little bit of sightseeing, and I managed to trade. Just watch my previous video. Today we have the non-farm payroll, which is about 45 minutes from now. So I'm going to do this video for YouTube, and then I'm going to see if I can grab some more pips for the non-farm payroll. The biggest news report in the market. Once a month. First Friday of each month. Last night, what I ended up doing was Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, and this video also will be called How to Trade with a Day Job. So on this Pound Aussie right here, I took the trade, I bought it, right at this cursor, and when I got up this morning, actually I got up right about here and I saw it going up, so I figured I'm going to stay in the trade for a little bit more. So I ended up with about 41 pips there on this particular pair. As I said, it did a pullback and then it went back up again. So that 41 pips on the Pound Aussie produced 27.01, as you can see down at the bottom here. I did follow the rules. Timing was a little bit off. I should have got in at a little bit lower price, but I just wanted to get in the trade and make sure I was in the trade. I monitored it for multiple times and I saw that it wasn't breaking the bottom here, so I knew that it was going to go up. Just needed the London market to open, which actually opens right here on this blue candle. No big surprise. And then away it went. By the way, I teach all of this in the training videos, the advanced training, how to trade like with a day job, so you'll be able to keep your day job, come home, and anytime after 5 o'clock, you're just going to sit and wait for the setup, and then you can take the trade. Okay, the other trade I did was the Euro Aussie. Same thing. I did notice that the Euro, it was actually the Aussie last night that was pushing it. It was not the Euro or the Pound because that market was closed. But the Aussie was like less than 10. So that's why I took the trade, got in, and I closed it out with the exact same number of pips, 41 pips, and that produced 27.22, as you can see over down here at the bottom. Things are just moving sideways. As I said, about 42 minutes from now will be non-farm payroll. So, if your system is not producing, and by the way, the total for two of those, as I was sleeping, ended up with 54.24 and change. So this week has been a pretty good week, and we still have high impact news coming up shortly. So if your system is not producing like my easy trigger, by the way, I'm doing have the easy trigger here. Sometimes I switch it over to the 1 hour on this period. This is on the 4 hours, but sometimes I want to see it on the 1 hour. So I also produce this number 3 and 4. This is 1 hour with the meter and 1 hour without the meter. So, but most of the time I'm sitting on the 4 hours. So if your system is not producing, all you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see a write-up similar to this. It's the easy trigger system. I do charge $250 for, and it does have 3 gigabytes of training. And you'll get an exact copy of this on your platform. If you need help, I can certainly help you with TeamViewer. So, now along with this system, you will be getting 2 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and my favorite currency meter. Now for you traders who like to read, I do have a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents. One of the Word document, that's the $1 Million Trade Plan. And that's where you only need 1 trade a day and only need 10 pips. So 20 trades per month. All you need is each trade get 10 pips, and today alone I got 82 pips. If you follow the plan, you'll end up with $1 million and a starting account of $1,000. I teach exactly how to do that. Read it a few times, and once you get good and you can get at least 10 pips or more, then you can apply the $1 Million Trade Plan. So there are 32 training videos for the Easy Trigger system, along with 9 bonus videos. I do teach many ways. The way I traded today was how to trade with a day job. So as you're sleeping and you get up in the morning, this will apply to people in North America. So as you're sleeping, you'll wake up in the morning with pips. And also I did apply a great way to trade. So I overlapped these two last night to take the trade as I knew that it was going to go up, especially during the London session. And of course I do teach how to trade all 3 sessions, and of course reversals and pullbacks. And so as I said, there's many ways to trade, and I do teach many ways, and this is what you have to learn. Trading the markets is very difficult, but the more ways that you learn how to trade, then you'll find success. So it's the training and education, and along with that half-decent system will eventually you will become a successful trader. So if you have any questions on my Easy Trigger system and or the $1 Million Trade Plan, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my cell number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here, Forex_Nelson, live.ca. And I do prefer Skype. That's my Skype ID, I should say. And of course, all you got to do is click on this link, and made it really easy for you to get in connected with me through Skype and through Skype screen sharing. I will give you a free session. Probably lasts about 45 minutes. That depends on how many questions that you may have for me. And of course I do have 20 trigger systems, and if you want to see what they look like, there's 20 pictures. Just have to click on this link and you can review them, or at least look at them. And then if you want the review of my my latest 9 new trigger systems, just look for the video on my YouTube, or click here and watch that video. So you can make a choice as to which system you prefer. So that just about wraps up this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading.